Hey guys, this is Fernando from R&H Audioworks. Hey, today we got a new camera. Got a Sony Alpha 6600 with a macro lens. It's really cool. So looking for any reason to make any cool videos to show you the capabilities of the camera. So I have to solder some pins onto these flicks, and yeah, let's see what it looks like up close and personal. All right, so these are operational amplifiers on the 2520 footprint, and we get these printed with surface mount components, but the one thing that the company that prints these PCBs doesn't do is load these little pins. So whenever you guys ask for one of these, I come back into the R&H room, and I gotta solder the pins. So I just wanted to show you what that looks like, and at the same time just play around with the new camera and yeah, see what it looks like. You gotta wait for the soldering iron to get up to temperature. I turned it off by mistake, so let's just wait a little bit. 730. All right, ready to go. So these little pins, you can see here, there's a hole, and then it just has a little shoulder. One technique I use, because what we really want is for the solder to go in to be within the hole and the pin, is I put a little dab, and then you can see here pretty much my solder is holding onto the pin. So just sort of spot weld it, lift it, put my soldering iron underneath. The temperature will take care of things. Capillary action pulls everything down, and there you go. We got one pin. 5 to go. So I repeat. Gonna spot weld the solder, lift, melt, capillary action takes it in, cools down, done. And that is how you solder pins. These pins have are going on the ground plane, so that's a little bit extra challenge, because that means that you gotta there's a larger heat sink from the PCB from the PCB just being larger copper. So it takes a little bit more time to heat things up for capillary action to pull everything in. So usually hold 2-3 seconds. You can see the solder flow. Put the solder iron away, and that's it. That's it, guys. First video with the new setup, with the new camera. Shout out to my boy JJ for helping me out. Put a link to his channel on the bottom. Thanks, guys. Later.